Why you talking like you with it, boy? I know that you a phony. You claiming that you real, then you gonna have to show me. Never been a bitch, and I put that on my homies, that I been about my shit. Ain't nobody ever homie. I remember I was making plays by my lonely when I was just a youngin' tryna ball like I'm Kobe. You was in the stands, I was really going OT. Big Brody keep a 40 like he addicted to the OE. I been making plays, but I keep that shit low key. I don't take a loss if you lane switch on me. You can talk shit, but your main bitch blow me, and I know it make you mad that your main bitch know me. I ain't with the games, but you know that I don't play those. Acting hella hard, but he's soft like Play-Doh. I been sippin' lean, you been sippin' on that K-Roll. I'm a motherfucking Mac to these hoes, like say so. Hey, who you foolin', why you lie for? You ain't never heard a chop sing like a high note. If you sneak dissing on the mob, you get fired on. Make that bitch ring like a motherfucking iPhone.
Hey, bitch, where your mans at? Probably somewhere hating cause we winning, they can't stand that, nigga. And I got your bitch bringing chicken in. I'm a cutthroat, you niggas sweet like cinnamon, bitch. I can fuck you and your best friend. Hit it from the back, she say damn like Kendrick. All my niggas sliding, I ain't talking about electric. Big lock, niggas shit can get hectic. Hey, fuck a bitch, I'm a Mary Guap. I can't trust shit, these hoes tell like the Marriott. Do we lack? Fuck no, bitch, we carry Glocks, gas pack. Magic in the wood, call it Harry Potter. And it's MOBCG hitting big stains, Fat Woods, and loving Mary Jane, bitch, I'm Rick James, young thug. Like that nigga from the Rich Gang, strip season. Leave a nigga with some shit stains, bitch.
Real mob nigga, all black to apparel. And all I'm through the talking pussy, come talk to the barrel. All my niggas ain't for nothing, we bout it for real. So let a nigga disrespect and he bout to get peeled. That nigga budget about to cut, but you better get back. Cause if he creeping on your ass, then you know it's a rap. They all talk, pussy niggas be focused on rap. Meanwhile the mob up in them streets really up in them stats. I heard y'all nigga turn snitch with a fucking disgrace. Got me an even better reason to get niggas erased. I got niggas that'll get you going without leaving a trace. Watch what you say, spin on the mob, it's the biggest mistake. I like how niggas love to talk but ain't saying a thing. You come through flexing over here, bet we snagging the chains. We quick to peel a nigga back if he funkin' with gang. We call it duty, niggas blocks if they think it's a game. I got some killers from the bay and them niggas go many. I got some message really local, they really go crazy. MOB bitch, we known to give niggas the blues. So disrespect really your mama crying on the news.